Battered by the coronavirus outbreak, the Indian Railways is looking at ways to negate the impact of the pandemic by introducing various measures aimed at shoring up its revenues. One such move is roping in private freight operators. The ambitious dedicated freight corridor project is expected to decongest up to 70% of freight trains. In an interview to a publication, Railway Board Chairman Vinod Kumar Yadav had said he expects private entities to run on freight corridors after December 2021. He had said, "We are trying to complete the dedicated freight corridor project by December 2021. There have been some problems because of COVID-19, but we are trying to sort it out. As of now, the work has picked up well." Yadav also informed that the bidding process will start closer to commissioning of the railway lines, and Railways has roped in a consultant for this purpose. The DFC is designed for 100 km per hour, and there will be a lot of network capacity available to introduce more freight trains, Yadav said. Yadav had earlier said a railway regulator would be created before the rollout of private passenger trains in 2023. He had said the regulator will have two mandates: regulating passenger trains and freight trains. With suspension of passenger services hitting the railways hard, it is looking at freight services to do the heavy lifting for revenue generation. The national transporter increased the average speed of its freight trains to 46.16 km per hour, which is more than double as compared to its speed of 22.52 km per hour last year. Railways has set an ambitious target of achieving freight loading 50% more loading in the current financial year. As part of its efforts to boost freight earnings, business development offices in each division have been introduced to bring in new clients. Around 1,271 goods sheds have been identified across the country where internal roads will be decked up and airport kind of lighting will be provided so that the freight operations can be carried out round the clock. The Railways also plans to come out with a timetable for freight trains operations manual.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.